What's wiggling Warenotice? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, I bought a brand spanking new Tesla. Well, phone wireless charger, that is. Let's unbox this bad boy. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So yes, folks, inside this box right here is the Tesla Qi wireless charger for charging Qi wireless charging phones. So yeah, this bad boy was only available for sale for 1 day before it sold out. Thankfully, I bought it nice and quick. Literally, as soon as I heard about it, I was boom, 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 just like that, ready to buy it. So yeah, this bad boy, when it was for sale, it would set you back $65. Plus, there's also a shipping charge, which was pretty annoying because shipping took like a week for it to get here. So yeah, without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. So here we are up close and personal with the box, and I will admit I have been so tempted to see what this wireless charger, that by the way is also a power bank, I've been so tempted to see what it looks like that I have taken the top off this before. So let's do it again, and look, there it is right there, that Tesla logo. That is very important, right, if you're buying this bad boy. And yeah, we can just pop it out. There's a little sort of plastic or something cover on this that we need to take off, a little bit of plastic. And I noticed that it's like all scratched up. I wonder if you can see that, but hopefully it's just the cover, not the actual device. And now we can just peel that little plastic off of the Tesla wireless charger right here. And oh yeah, just like that, now all the scratches have gone away. That is good. I would have been very sad if this bad boy came for $65 already scratched. So that's good news. Anyway, now let's get to getting a closer look with this bad boy. But before we do that, folks, let's look at what else was in the box. Just this quick start guide right here. Very minimalist packaging, even just the box. You know, the front, only Tesla logo. Also feels very premium, this unboxing experience. But yeah, that's definitely a good thing for the price of this bad boy. Anyway, back to that quick start guide. It basically just talks about charging with this bad boy, as well as what the lights on it mean. So yeah, we can put that away, close the box, and let's get back to the Tesla Qi wireless charger and power bank. Yes, it does hold its own juice for charging up your devices as well, which is pretty cool. That works as a battery. It actually has a 6,000 milliamp hour battery in it, and it's wireless charging. That is 5-watt wireless charging, and it's wired charging. Yes, it has wired charging too. That is 7.5 watts. Anyway, now let's get to taking a closer look at this bad boy. So on the front, as you can see, it has a Tesla logo right here. It also has this little bump right here, and then on the behind it has these two bumps as well, and then wrapped around it is a built-in charging cable. It is a USB to USB-C cable, and as you can see, if you just pop these ends out just like that, you can even take the cable off if you want to, and see USB-C to USB, and then right in there you can see there's a USB port, and over here there's also a USB-C port. So yeah, we can put the cable to the side for now, and let's test out the wireless charging on this bad boy. Right here, I've got an iPhone 10. As you can see from the front, actually, they look to be very similar sized, which is interesting. And then also, if you come to the side, as you can see, the battery pack is about twice as thick as the iPhone 10. So let's put those down just like that. And then to activate the wireless charging, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hold down this button right here for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and then you'll see a purple light, and that's how you know the Qi wireless charging is active. So if we put the iPhone 10 down on it, see, it just starts charging just like that, which is very cool. And then also you do have that wired charging option as well. So this battery pack, the Tesla Qi wireless charger, does support that 2-phone lifestyle if you're living it just like me, that big daddy lifestyle with 2 phones. So that is pretty cool as well. And yeah, now you guys have seen the Tesla Qi wireless charger in action. So with that, just a nice short sweet video about this bad boy. So with that, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. If you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe for more awesome technology videos just like this one. I'm definitely liking this bad boy so far. Feel free to let me know what you think down in the comments. I do read all of them. And yes, definitely be sure to subscribe for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Tesla Qi wireless charger, baby. Ooh.